trying to see you, bro.
Bro.
Listen. You just sucker, bro. Hold on, look at this picture right here, bro.
Wait.
I'm gonna go.
No, you're not going.
I
Go right there.
want to look at him, bro.
Right there.
I want you to look at this picture on my shirt, bro. You took her from me. You's a fucking clown, bro. When you go up top, nigga, your ass is done. You see her, bro? Dior, you took her from me, bro. You took her from me, bro. You took her from me. And my, hey, bro, your ass is trash, bro. Why would you do that, bro? Why would you do that?
Wait.
Why would you do that? Hold on, let me just talk to him for a second. I ain't seen this man in that long. Bro, why would you do that though, bro? And then your ass was low for 2 years. You could have admitted to it, bro. You could have admitted to it though. You didn't say you did that.
Don't touch me.
You was a fucking clown, bro. How you do that, bro? How you do it though? I'm gonna look you. I'm gonna look your eyes though. Hold on. I'm gonna look you in your eyes. How you do that though, bro? You gotta play with that. That's your life. You know that, right? You gotta let that make you like you know that, right? You bring your mouth on people. I'm not gonna do that. You wanna do what? You wanna do what? Hold on. I got it.
You standing there all hung. You get to see your people though. You get to see your mama that's lying. You get to see your people. We can't see our baby no more. Yo, stop touching me, stop. Don't tell me to calm down. Stop touching me. I don't give a fuck. Stop touching me. I don't care. Stop touching me.
Y'all shut up the wrong call, bro.
Right.
You really did that?
No, the whole
This is
time.
your child. What you doing?
The whole time.
I'm done. Hey, yo, bro. Listen. I just want to look at you in your eyes, bro. I'm dealing with this every single day. Because I'm dealing with this every day, though. I'm dealing with this every day. Every single day, though. Me and my kids, I'm dealing with this every day, though. And y'all some fucking clowns, though. And y'all over here jacking this shit, man. I'm dealing with this shit every day, man. Every day, man. Me and her. Dealing with this every single day, man. You gotta smoke that nigga, man. You gotta give him the book, man. I'm trying to tell you, man. You better give him the book, man. For real, man. This is, man. I can't even explain how I feel, man, right now, yo. I swear to God, I can't even explain how I feel, yo, right now, man. Hey, I'm just 4 years old, man. I just had another baby, man. Hey, yo, we dealing with this shit every day. Y'all telling us to calm down. If this was any of y'all baby, because y'all be panicking, I know you would. Y'all motherfuckers was out here shooting everything up. I know y'all would, man. Hey, y'all, this shit ain't different. Y'all don't know this shit because it ain't y'all. This shit, y'all ain't going through this, so y'all don't understand. You don't understand because it's not you. If you have kids, you understand, man. You understand, yo. 4 days before, 15 days before our first birthday, man, this fucking clown took her away because they want to shoot up the wrong car, man. And y'all over here jacking this. I swear to God, yo. Yo, it's all good, man. And all we want is justice for our daughter. That's it. That's it. I just want justice for our daughter.
Listen,
come on.
I know you do.
Come on, come here. Come here, yo. Come here. Come here.
All right.
What's the next step so we can get this over and done with, Judge?
You gotta sit down now. You got to make a decision.
Come on. Miss.
I'm sorry, baby. It's not y'all. You don't know this pain. I'm going through it. Oh, yeah.
Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out. Just step out and explore. Anything else, Mr. Derek?
Judge,
Judges, I hate to interrupt. We
Oh,
didn't discuss it.
let's bring it back.
You come out here smiling like this shit a joke.
Look,
This a fucking sucker, bro.
Look.
So you come walking out smiling and shit. Like shit funny or something.
Look.
Ain't nothing funny,
Yeah.
bro. Wipe that smirk off your face, bro.
I'm gonna have to.
Like shit funny or something, bro. You just
You're
don't
gonna
want
have
to
to
do
step
it
out.
to do a smile. I'm gonna be quiet, I'm gonna be quiet, I'm gonna be quiet.
You gotta step, yes.
I'm gonna be quiet.
Go ahead.
thank you, Judge. Obviously, it goes without saying that this has been a very long and emotional journey for this family, and we appreciate the patience of everyone and the assistance of the court officers in assisting the family through this. We did have an opportunity to read through the mitigation report provided by the defense, as well as the letters, multiple letters that were attached by his friends and family and loved ones. And Judge, we have no doubt that those people saw whatever good exists in Jesse Outley. But clearly there is a side of him that they are not familiar with and that they have not seen. We know, and this jury believed beyond a reasonable doubt, that this man possesses enough evil, brazen, and careless behavior to have done what he did on April 11th of 2021. He clearly possessed enough anger to be so overwhelmingly violent all over a minor fender bender. Judge, it's countless careless acts of violence like this that we see time and time again in this community over nonsense that have caused too many families in this community to have to bury a loved one. The letters submitted by Jesse Outley and his defense have shown that he has people that are going to get to visit him while he's incarcerated. They're going to get to see him grow up and have other birthdays. But the family of Dior Harris they never got to see her turn 1. They aren't going to get to see her go to kindergarten or live through milestones that every child should get to live through. They will get to visit him at the correction facility that he ends up in, but this family has to visit her at a grave. He took the time, he calculated this plan with Chavez Ocasio over a simple car accident. When he jumped into that back seat with that gun, spraying bullets into a car, killing this little girl and nearly killing 4 other people. He almost took the lives of 4 other people, including 2 other little girls. It's because of his careless conduct, Judge, that this man deserves the maximum sentence allowable by law. And we ask that this court impose a consecutive sentence up to 140 to life. Because he deserves every single day allowable by law for taking the life of this little girl and nearly killing 4 other people. Thank you.
Mr. Casimir.
Judge, this case was the subject of a near 2-week trial of intense gravity. Judge, we're certainly not here to relitigate that trial. I would note that much of the evidence in this case revolves around the cooperator and his girlfriend. The police had arrested this individual within 48 hours of this terrible incident. And Judge, while we respect the verdict and the decision reached by this jury, Mr. Outley maintains that he is not responsible for this crime. And it's upon our advice that he won't be making any comment here today. I do want to say, Judge, on behalf of Mr. Outley, that he does have tremendous empathy from a human standpoint for what occurred in this case, that he does feel very deeply. But he maintains, Judge, and he has always maintained, he's simply not the person who pulled this trigger. He looks forward to exercising his right to appeal. We will be filing a notice on his behalf forthwith. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Outley, you want to say anything? All right. Listen, this is, whereas I agree with Barry that this is we see a lot of gun violence I mean, this is the place where a lot of that comes to light. Gun violence and some terrible things. But this case touched all of us and the community in a special way. It's rare that we see an 11-month-old victim of this type of violence. It's an extreme rarity. And her mother and father, you know, you can't imagine, I can't imagine, I wouldn't want to imagine what they're going through as a result of this. All right? This is an immense tragedy caused for the most insignificant of reasons. Rarely have I seen a shooting or murder that was committed for a more frivolous reason than in this case. It's an outrage. I am outraged. I am devastated for the family in this case, because this is devastating. And the sentence has to be in accordance with the law. Therefore, for Mr. Albley's conviction for murder in the second degree, it's the sentence of this court that he be sentenced to 25 years to life for the murder of Dior Harris, for the attempted murder of Naima Watkins. It's a sentence of this court that he served a sentence of 25 years with 5 years post-release supervision. For the attempted murder of Kenai Watkins, it's a sentence of this court that he served 25 years with 5 years post-release supervision. For the attempted murder of Shakima Buckley, it's a sentence of this court that he served 25 years with 5 years post-release supervision. For the attempted murder of Desiree Seymour, it's a sentence of this court that he served a sentence of 25 years with 5 years post-release supervision.
And with that, the courtroom chapter comes to a close. But for Dior Harris's family, the sentence can never replace the life they lost. Justice may have been delivered according to the law, yet the emotional scars remain permanent. Cases like this remind us that a single act of violence can destroy countless lives in an instant. Do you believe this sentence truly delivered justice? Or is there never a punishment severe enough for crimes like this?
Your ass is grind, you fucking sucker. Your ass is done, nigga. I swear to God, nigga. You took my baby. Your ass is done. You ain't never coming home. And y'all over here, nigga, he done. Walk him out. It's over now. I'm out. Come on.
Criminal possession of a weapon of the second degree, 6 counts of indictment. For possessing a firearm. Intending to use unlawfully against with the 6th count of the indictment, criminal possession of a weapon in the second degree, intending to use the same unlawfully against another. It's the sentence of this court that prevented these sentenced to 15 years with 5 years post-release supervision. All of those previous counts shall run concurrent to one another. The 7th count of the indictment charges him with criminal possession of a weapon in the second degree outside his home or place of business. It's a sentence of this court that he served 15 years plus 5 years post-release supervision. That sentence shall be consecutive to the other sentences. That's the sentencing judgment of this court. There is a surcharge of $875 that deferred at your request.
Judge, we appreciate that. Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, also, Mr. Luciani wanted me to extend his thanks to the court for giving him